This is the installation procedure for the Yale Assure Lock SL. To complete this procedure, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. The Yale Assure Lock SL comes with an adjustable latch, so it can be installed on a door that has a backset of 2 3/8 or 2 3/4 inches. The latch is set at 2 3/8 inches when you remove it from the box. Ensure the latch is in the retracted and unlocked position to adjust. Adjust the latch to 2 3/4 inches. If you require a longer length for installation, install the strike plate into the door frame, secure with 2 strike screws. Slide the latch into the door with the up arrow facing upwards and secure with 2 latch screws. The deadbolt latch must be in the retracted, unlocked position. Please note the horizontal orientation of the internal mechanism that will allow tailpiece to slide into place and properly engage the latch. Install the exterior keypad lock so it is flush with the door. Make sure you guide the wires under the latch. Remove the battery cover and the interior mounting plate from the inside piece of the lock. Guide the cable assembly through the cable hole in the interior mounting plate. Make sure it is flush with the door and straight before attaching with the 2 long through bolts. Connect the cable to the white connector, ensuring that the 2 white ridges on the cable are facing towards you. Guide the cable so it sits under the hook. Ensure the tailpiece is in the horizontal position so it will properly engage the lock.